Hey guys, I'm so excited to be here today filming a video just for you. Today I've got 4 hula hoop dance routines ready for you. So we're going to go through all 4, so go grab your hoops and get ready to dance it out, or hoop it out should I say. Okay guys, so the first song that we're going to do today is Show Me Love. So even if you don't know it, it really doesn't matter. I just want you to give it your best shot, okay? So we're going to start off with some waist hooping. So here we go, I'm going to put the music on, get ready. Here you go guys, so straight into some marching, and then we're going to step to the side. We step together, that's it. Excuse my singing, but I just can't help myself to show me love. Okay, we're going to toe tap to the front, then to the side. So we toe tap, side tap, and side tap. So keep that hoop going. That's it. This is quite a hard move, but I know you can do it. That's it. And getting low. Okay, we're going to go for a grapevine. Watch out if you're in a small room or in your kitchen like me. That's it. We just improvise. That's it. And side. Woo! Side. And side. Okay, standing tall like a pencil. Woo! Devotion. Turning around. Okay, tree pose. Why not, guys? Woo, let's turn around. We walk forwards. Are you ready? We stop. And clap. Woo, forwards. And back. That's it, let's walk. And back. Guys, you got this. This is awesome. Okay, back to the start. Oh no, pencil. I lied. That's it. Let's turn around. Tree pose. Here we go. Let's turn around. You got to show me. Okay, back to the beginning this time. So we step with those arms. I call them cheerleading arms. So shake your pom-poms. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, yeah. That's it. And side. Together. Toe taps. Here we go. Toe tap. So just a little move there. Tap, and side. Side. Here you go. Tap, side. My goodness, my heartbeat is going. Great, fine. Here we go. And clap, side. That's it. And side. And back. Woo, side. And back. Hold it here. I'm going to go for a tree this time, if I can manage it. Turn around. Tree opposite side. Woo! Oh! That was a bit too challenging that time. Walking forward. Push into that hoop. Let's push. And back. Let's push. And back. Whoa! That was a challenge. My hoop's a bit on the smaller side today, so I can fit it into this room. So I'm definitely challenging myself. Okay, I'm going to stand on my tiptoes this time. So we're changing it. Arms out. Let's turn. Woo! Gosh, I'm getting hot in here, guys. Arms out on your tiptoes. That's it. Tuck that belly button in. You got to show me love. Just hands. Yay! Awesome. Well done, guys. Okay, let's get ready for the next song. Okay guys, here we go. This is one that the kids like. We go. You can call me how you wanna, I ain't giving you a dollar. Let's run. That's it. Okay guys, so this is a challenge. Down to your knees. Keep pushing through that hoop. Keep pushing. Let's stand back up. Oh, that's a great one for those quads. You can call me how you wanna, I ain't giving you a dollar. This time I ain't gonna. We love this song in class. Okay, let's clap our hands. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, let's get going, guys. Woo! Okay, we're going to slide step twice to the side. We go step. And clap, step. And clap, step. And clap. Walking forward to the floor. Walking. And back. Let's walk. we ready? Here we go. Sorry, I ain't got no money. I am trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today. You can call me what you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't giving. Right, guys, it gets full. Let's go back down to our knees. Here we go. So really pushing forwards, trying to keep your body nice and straight so you don't dip that hip. Sorry, plant. Oh, look, plant. Now you wanna. I ain't giving you $1. Let's run. Okay, I'm going to take my hoop off, guys. If you've got a small hoop, let's go for some hand hooping. Have a little dance. I'm changing hands. That's it. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to go for some barrel rolls. That's I'm going to go all the way over. And again. Just swaying from side to side. Watch that hoop go over. And again. On your way, so we're ready. Side steps. We go step. And up. And up, step. Are you getting one, guys? Because I am. I can feel this working. I feel good. Yes. Walking forward. Walking. And back. Let's walk. Imagine you're going down the road, going for a little stroll. Let's go for a big spinny ready. Fabulous arms. Woo! And we take a little bow or curtsy. Whoa, fabulous, guys. That was so much fun. Okay, go grab yourself some water because I definitely need to be hydrated for the next one. Okay. Okay, we're just going to hold it here. Are we ready? We're going to do some squats to the side. Here we go. Squat, stretch, squat, stretch. Let's jump. Wave that hoop. Back to those squats. Hey guys, I'm not perfect here, but who is really? That's it. Okay, inside your hoop. We go. Inside your hoop. Bring those arms out nice and wide. Stretch out that chest. We go for a turn. Here we go. Let's turn. Okay, let's march. That's it. Grapevine. I nearly forgot what I was doing. There's a surprise. I'm there. Okay, let's hold it here. Take that hoop off. We go for the grapevine outside our hoop. Here we go. That's it. Let's twist that hoop. Yeah, you got this, guys. Lovely. Back to the start. We go squat, stretch, squat, stretch. Let's jump from side to side. Here we go, squat. You got this. Let's jump. Okay, inside your hoop. We go. Inside, inside. Use those arms, working that upper body. Turn around, we go. 2 and 3. Oh my goodness, I'm so hot now. Woo! Okay, grapevine inside your hoop. And back. We go. And back. Keep it going. Oh my goodness, I just hit the bar. Whatever it's called, the table. Oh. Here we go, let's grapevine. Okay, mine are very mini grapevines, as you can see. It's okay. We're just going with the flow, guys. As long as moving, keeping happy, keeping fit is all good fun. That's it. Back to the start. Let's go. Squat, stretch, squat, stretch. Are you ready to jump? That's it. Let's squat. Jump. That's it, jump a bit higher if you want to work out more. That's it. Woo! Let's turn, we go. Oh, this is so funny. Grapevine, let's go. And clap. Oh yes. Great cardio workout here, guys. Woo! And back. You got this. Woo! Okay, back inside your hoop. Okay, let's just end with a bit of balancing. Why not? It's always fun. That's it, really working that core. Now a little bit more. Hold that balance. And change. Woo! Okay. Nearly there, guys. Let's turn. Woo! Awesome. Okay, guys, we're going into our last song now. We've got a bit of Jess, Glynne. That's the one. Okay, so we have done this before in classes if you've joined me before, and you're going to love it. So just try your best with it, guys. Have loads of fun. And if you drop that hoop, just laugh at yourself. I mean, I always laugh at myself because I do some stupid things. But anyway, it doesn't matter. You have lots of fun with this last dance. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're inside our hoop and we clap. Woo! That's it. Okay, let's turn around. And turn, and turn, and turn again. Let's go. Let's march on the spot. Okay, we've got a new move. This time we're going to step and swing. Okay, so if I turn to the left, I step forward with my right. Here we go. Step, swing, and step. Swing. I always feel like I'm a little dancer when I do this. I'm not saying I look like one, but I feel like one. Woo! So don't be so hard, don't be so hard. Let's march. Just tired of marching on my own. Give it a good march. From the side, it looks like this. I always say I've got chicken wings going. I don't care. Still moving my body. It feels good. Don't be so hard on yourself. Okay, wide legs. Clap. Clap. Woo! Yes. We got this. Keep going. Yeah. Oh, I just love hooping. It feels so good, doesn't it? I'm all happy now. Let's turn. That's it. Okay, let's go again. Back to marching. Oh, yes. Let's do this. Don't drop that hoop. Are you ready for that step swing? Here we go. Let's step. And swing. We go. Step. And swing. We go. Step. Swing. You got this, guys. Amazing. March on the spot. Here we go. That's it. Really pump it up. Amazing job. So this move just takes a while to get the hang of, but once you've got it, you've got it. So push it into that hoop. That's it. Don't be so hard. Okay, I'm stopping here, guys. We clap. We go. So if you like this song, louder it up, guys. Blast it from the rooftops and have fun. That's it. Woo! Let's turn around. So if you're ever feeling a bit like meh, just get up and do some hooping. You'll feel amazing. It always makes me feel good. That's why I do it every day. And did you hear that? Forgot to turn my notifications off again. That's no surprise. Okay, are we ready? Step, swing. We go. Step, swing. I'll let that be a lesson to me. Turn off all notifications. Don't be so hard. Let's march it out. 'Cause I'm just tired of marching on my own. And again. That's it. You got this, guys. We've nearly finished all 4 dances. How good do you feel it? Yes. Let's just clap. Tired of marching on my own. And I'm afraid. Awesome. That's it. Nearly there. Clap. Clap. Yes. So don't be so hard. And a big twirl to end with. Fabulous. There you go, guys. So we've come to the end of our 4 hoop dance routines. I hope you've really enjoyed yourself today, because I know I sure have, and I've absolutely loved filming this video for you. So if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Can't say that, can't you tell I'm not used to doing this at all? But anyway, we'll still continue. If you enjoyed it, I'll be back next week with another 4 hoop dance routines ready for you to rock it out and enjoy yourselves. Okay guys, that's it from me today, but see you later and have fun. And keep hooping. Bye!